Here's how you can enable Wi-Fi calling on any Android phone. In order to do that, simply navigate to settings on your mobile phone. Now, click connections options at the top and you will see this page. Or what you can also do is click on the search icon at the top and search for Wi-Fi calling and click Wi-Fi calling. Now, once you click that, it will show you this page. Here, you're going to simply click Wi-Fi calling. Now, you can make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection whenever available. So choose the number that you want the Wi-Fi calling preference for and click calling preference. And here, you can choose Wi-Fi preferred. Now, if due to any reason you're not able to see the option for Wi-Fi calling, you can go to your phone's app, navigate to recents and click the three-dotted icon in the top right and click settings. Now here, you're going to see different options available. Simply scroll down and click on the one that says Wi-Fi calling. As you can see, Wi-Fi calling is also available here. Click Wi-Fi calling and enable the number with which you prefer the Wi-Fi calling. So that's how you enable Wi-Fi calling on Android phones. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.